Welcome to the exciting world of homemade soy sauce. Today I'm going to guide you through every step of making this flavorful umami-packed condiment from scratch. Making soy sauce at home is a rewarding experience, but it does require patience and care. Along the way, I'll share tips and tricks to ensure your homemade soy sauce turns out just right. Let's dive in and get started on this delicious journey. All right, let's get started. First, we'll need 2 cups of dried soybeans. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly and then soak them in water for 12 to 24 hours to rehydrate. Next, you'll want 1 cup of wheat flour. This adds depth to the flavor, especially if you're making a traditional shoyu-style soy sauce. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of koji mold. This is the magic ingredient that helps ferment the soybeans. Now, for the brine, we'll mix a 1/4 cup of salt into about 4 cups of water. The salt helps with fermentation and preserves the sauce. Once you've got everything together, we're ready to move to the next step. Stay tuned as we bring all these ingredients together for a delicious homemade soy sauce. All right, let's start with the soybeans. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of dried soybeans. Begin by rinsing the soybeans thoroughly to remove any dirt or dust. Once clean, it's time to soak them. Place the beans in a large bowl, cover them with water, and let them soak for 12 to 24 hours. This rehydrates the soybeans, softening them and preparing them for cooking. Make sure to use a generous amount of water since the soybeans will double in size as they soak. This step is crucial to ensure the beans cook properly in the next phase. So, set a timer, and while you wait, you can gather the rest of your ingredients. Once the soybeans have soaked, it's time to cook them. Drain the beans, then place them in a large pot. Add enough fresh water to cover the beans completely, about 4 to 6 cups, and bring the pot to a boil. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the soybeans cook for 3 to 4 hours, or until they're soft and easy to mash with a fork. Keep an eye on the water level, adding more if it evaporates. Stir occasionally to ensure they're cooking evenly. This step helps break down the beans, which is essential for developing the flavor in the final soy sauce. You'll know the beans are ready when they're tender and mash easily between your fingers. While the soybeans are cooking, it's time to prepare the wheat flour. This step is optional, but if you want that traditional shoyu-style flavor, you'll need about 1 cup of wheat flour. Place it in a dry pan over medium heat and start toasting it. Stir constantly for about 10 to 15 minutes, making sure the flour doesn't burn. The goal is to lightly brown the flour, which enhances the depth and richness of the soy sauce. You'll notice a toasty, nutty aroma filling the air as the flour browns. Once it's golden brown, remove it from the heat and set it aside. This toasted wheat flour adds that familiar flavor to your homemade soy sauce. Now that the soybeans are cooked and the wheat flour is ready, we need to add the koji mold. This is the fermentation starter that will kick off the fermentation process. Once the soybeans have cooled to about 85 degrees Fahrenheit, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of koji mold over them. Temperature closely. Make sure the mold is evenly distributed. You can also mix in the toasted wheat flour at this point. Koji mold helps break down the starches in the soybeans into sugars, which will eventually turn into amino acids, giving the soy sauce its signature umami flavor. Now, keep the mixture warm, ideally around 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and cover it loosely. Let the mold grow for the next 48 hours. Stir it every 12 hours to ensure even growth. This is a critical step, so be sure to follow the temperature closely. While the koji mold is doing its thing, let's prepare the brine. The brine helps preserve the soybeans and add salt to the final product. In a separate bowl, mix a 1/4 cup of salt into about 4 cups of warm water. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. This brine will be added to the soybeans after the koji mold has done its work. It's essential to get the salt-to-water ratio right so the soy sauce will ferment properly. Once the salt is dissolved, set the brine aside and check on your koji-coated soybeans. After 48 hours of fermentation, it's time to bring everything together. Take the soybean and koji mixture and transfer it into a large fermentation vessel, like a glass jar or a ceramic crock. Add the brine you just prepared, ensuring the soybeans are submerged in the liquid. Stir the mixture thoroughly so that the soybeans and brine are well combined. The fermentation process will now officially begin. Loosely cover the jar to allow some air in, but don't seal it completely. Place the jar in a warm spot, around room temperature, ideally between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it ferment for the next 3 to 6 months. Make sure to stir the mixture every 2 to 3 weeks to keep it fermenting evenly and to prevent the soybeans from floating to the top. Fermentation is where the magic happens. Over the next 3 to 6 months, your soy sauce will slowly develop its deep, umami flavor. During this time, the soybeans will break down, and the proteins will turn into amino acids. The liquid will darken, and the aroma will become more intense. This is a waiting game, but it's also the most exciting part of the process. Taste the mixture every month to see how the flavor develops. You'll notice that as time goes on, the flavor becomes richer and the soy sauce will get smoother. You'll also want to stir it every few weeks to keep the fermentation even and make sure the soybeans stay submerged. After 3 to 6 months, your soy sauce should be ready. At this point, it's time to strain it. Use a fine mesh strainer or a piece of cheesecloth to filter out the solid soybeans and any leftover wheat flour. You'll be left with a deep, rich liquid, your homemade soy sauce. Be patient during this step. You'll want to extract as much liquid as possible, pressing the solids to ensure no flavor goes to waste. You should now have a dark, flavorful soy sauce that's rich with umami. To preserve your soy sauce and stop the fermentation process, it's time to pasteurize it. Heat your soy sauce in a pot over low heat until it reaches about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold it at this temperature for about 10 minutes. Pasteurization kills off any remaining bacteria and helps the sauce keep longer. If you prefer, you can skip this step if you plan to consume the soy sauce relatively quickly, but pasteurizing ensures a longer shelf life. Finally, it's time to bottle your homemade soy sauce. Make sure to sterilize your bottles or jars before using them. Pour the soy sauce into the containers and seal them tightly. Store the bottles in a cool, dark place. Once opened, you can refrigerate the soy sauce to keep it fresh for longer. Your homemade soy sauce is now ready to use. The flavor will continue to mature over time, so enjoy it in all your favorite dishes. Lastly, let's talk through some helpful tips to make sure your soy sauce turns out perfectly. First, patience is key. Fermentation takes time, sometimes up to 6 months, so don't rush the process. The longer it ferments, the richer and deeper the flavor will be, so allow it to develop at its own pace. If you're struggling to find koji mold, don't worry. It can often be purchased from specialty Asian markets, or you can easily find it online. Koji mold is essential for breaking down the soybeans and giving the soy sauce that signature umami flavor. Once your soy sauce is bottled, you can store it for up to a year in a cool, dark place. After opening, it's best to keep it in the fridge to preserve its freshness, so it lasts even longer. As for fermentation environment, keep your fermentation container in a warm spot, but avoid direct sunlight. A temperature between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius, is ideal for the soy sauce to ferment properly, ensuring even fermentation and the best flavor development. Lastly, feel free to experiment with flavor adjustments as the soy sauce ferments. If you want a unique twist, try adding ingredients like ginger or garlic to the mix. The beauty of making your own soy sauce is that you can customize it to your tastes. This process yields a truly traditional soy sauce, and although it takes time, the reward of a homemade, rich-flavored soy sauce is well worth it. Enjoy your homemade soy sauce.